Have you ever wondered why the water bottles have an expiry date? Is it because of the water or the bottle itself? This is Kirosai, and today I'm going to explain the reason why the water bottles have an expiry date. First of all, water is a stable compound. It never goes bad nor expires. However, the reason why the water bottles have an expiry date is not about the water, but about the bottle itself. Water bottles are usually made of a type of plastic called polyethylene terephthalate or PET for short. PET is a lightweight, durable, and commonly used material for beverage bottles. However, over time, exposure to various environmental factors such as sunlight, heat, and chemicals can cause the plastic to degrade. As a result, water bottle loses its integrity and it can start leaching microscopic plastic particles into the water it contains. While the release of such particles is minimal, it is still a concern for manufacturers who want to ensure the quality and safety of their products. To address this concern, manufacturers often assign an expiry date to their water bottles, which serves as a guideline for consumers and indicates the time frame within which the bottle is expected to remain in good condition. Therefore, if you find a degraded water bottle past the expiry date, then you should avoid drinking water from it. That's all for today. For more videos like this, subscribe to Kirosai and leave us a thumbs up. We'll meet again in the next video.